So now today's class is circular linked list. We already know that what is circular linked list. What is a linked list? Each node in a list contains only one pointer is called a single linked list. In circular linked list, the address of the last node address pointer will points to the first node. Such a list is called as circular linked list. In circular linked list, the address pointer of the last node, so the address pointer of the last node will points to the first node. Such a list is called as circular linked list. So in circular, so we know that what is circular linked list already. So this is a circular linked list. In circular linked list, the address field of the last node, last not null. So in normal linked list, the address field is null, while in the case of circular linked list, the last node points to the first node. When the last node points to the first node is called as circular linked list. So this is the node declaration of circular linked list. So this is the one class node number node star next. This is the circular list. So in order to, there are different operations that are performed on circular list: create, display, insert, and delete nodes. So these are the operations. So first of all, there are different operations. We have the create node, display, insert node, and delete node. Different operations on circular list. We have already discussed create and display nodes. Create node is used to so charting, don't chart your personal, because whatever you chart, that will comes to me only. So that's why students, I request students, don't chart yourself, because now 594 charted, play video compulsory. So I got that message. So chart, whatever charting you are done, that will comes to me also. So that's why students don't chart them. మీరు ఎవరు ఏది చార్ట్, కేవలం నాతో ఏది చార్ట్ చేయాలనుకుంటే అయ్యే చార్ట్ చేసుకోండి, రిమైనింగ్ ఏ చార్ట్ చేసుకోవద్దు. ఎందుకని అంటే మీరు చార్ట్ చేసే ప్రతి ఒక్కటి నాకు వస్తుంది. మీ నెంబర్ కానీ మీ పేరు, మీ నెంబరు అన్నీ నాకు కంపల్సరీగా స్క్రీన్ మీద డిస్ప్లే అవుతూ ఉంటాయి. అందువల్ల మీరు ఎవరు చార్ట్ చేసుకొని అవసరం లేదు, చార్ట్ చేయవాకండి. అది సరేనా? ఓకే. సో మీరు కంపల్సరీగా సో రావాలి అనుకున్నప్పుడు మీ నెంబర్ కంపల్సరీగా ఉండాలి. ఇక్కడ ఫైల్ లక్ష్మి అంట అమ్మాయి, యాక్చువల్గా మీరు రోజు చెప్తానే ఉన్నాను, అమ్మాయి నెంబర్తో లాగిన్ అవ్వలేదు, అందుకని అలౌ చేయలేదు ఆ లక్ష్మి అనే అమ్మాయిని. ఓకే. సో ఇక్కడ నౌ విల్ డిస్కస్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ నోట్స్ కౌంట్. అల్గోరిథం count. This module is used to count the number of nodes in a list. So if the list is empty, there is no nodes. If the list is not empty, then only we have the list. So if start equal to null, so return 0. If start equal to null, return 0. So return 0. So that means if the list is empty, there is no nodes in that. If the list is empty, so there is no nodes. So if that's we called as if start equal to null, the return 0. Else we have the list. So now we have the list. Initially we have the count equal to 1, while current equal to start, while current dot next, not equal to start, current equal to current dot next. This is the module. So again we have the I plus plus also there, count plus plus, count equal to count plus plus, and return count. So this is the module we are using. So this is the module we are using to count the number of nodes in a list. So what is the purpose of this list? This is so this is used to find how many nodes in a list. So this is the module is used to count the number of nodes in a list. If the list is empty, there is no nodes. If that's way, if start equal to null, return 0. Return 0 indicates there is no nodes in the list. Else, if start is not null, so we have at least of one node. That's way count equal to 1. We start from first node. So we know how to identify the last node. The address of the last field is null, then only that field is allowed. Otherwise, they were not allowed. While current dot next not equal to null, current count plus plus, current equal to current dot next. Whenever we are using the current equal to current dot next, we move from first node to next node. This is the module we are used to find the number of nodes in a list. After that, so insert module. Insert node. This module is used yes, volume increase. Yes, I will increase. Insert node. This module is used to insert a node in a list. So in a list means in a circular list. So insert node module. So the insert node module, this module is used to insert a node in a list. So in a list at a specified position. So this module is used to insert a node at a specified position. So if the position is 0 or if the position is greater than the number of nodes, we cannot insert the node. When the position is 0, or when the position is 0 or position is greater than number of nodes, when the position is 0 or the position is greater than number of nodes, so then we cannot insert the node. Then we cannot insert the node into the list because it is a invalid position. So మనం పొజిషన్ 0 అయినా కానీ పొజిషన్ గ్రేటర్ దెన్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ నోడ్స్ అయినా కానీ మనం ఆ వాల్యూని ఇన్సర్ట్ చేసుకోవడానికి వీలవుదాం. కేవలం మనం ఎప్పుడు వీలవుతుంది మనకు, సో పొజిషన్ అనేది కరెక్ట్ పొజిషన్ అయితేనే మనం ఏం చేస్తాము, ఇన్సర్ట్ చేయగలుగుతాం. సో అది లేకపోతే మనం ఇన్సర్ట్ చేయడానికి వీలవుతుంది. ఇఫ్ ద పొజిషన్ ఈజ్ 1, if the position is 1, then change the first node address. So if the position is 1, change the first node address. Otherwise, insert the node at a specified position. So this is the module we are using to insert a node into the list. So this is about insert node module. So insert node module is used to insert a node in a circular linked list. If the when the position is 0 or the position is greater than the number of nodes, we cannot insert the value. So suppose I want to insert a node at 0 position, no, because there is no 0 position. Suppose the list has 5 nodes, I want to insert a node at 10, we cannot. So that's way when the position is greater than 0 or the position is the number of nodes is greater than the number of nodes, we cannot insert the node into the list, because it is an invalid position. So invalid property search. So otherwise we can, if the position is 1, so if the position is 1, so then we can insert the node at first node. So then we can change the address also. So if the position is 1, then change the first node address. So our position 1 అయినప్పుడు first node address change చేయండి. Otherwise కాకపోతే insert the node at a specified position. అలా కానప్పుడు సో స్పెసిఫైడ్ పొజిషన్ లో మనకి ఏమవ్వాలి, ఇన్సర్ట్ చేయడం అనేది జరుగుతుంది. దిస్ ఇస్ ద మాడ్యూల్ we are using. Then we go for a diagram how to insert. Suppose this is one node, this is another node, this is another. So let us assume that there are 3 nodes, 1 1 1, like this we have the nodes. So this is the first node, so this is the second node, this is the third node. So instead of third I will use 30, 22, so 10. So like this we have 3 nodes. So this is the first node, this is the first node, this is the second node, this is the third node, then we have to connect. Then last node, so this is the already existed list. Let us assume that this is an existing list. This is my existing list. I want to insert a new node at insert new node at second position. Suppose I want to insert a new node at second position. So how we can insert a new node at second position? Suppose I want to insert a new node at second position. How we can insert a new node at second position? Suppose this is my new list. So this is the we are using first node points to second node. Sorry. So this is my new list. So I want to insert a node at 10. This is 10. So new value is 50. Suppose I want to insert 15 at here. This is the new value. So 12, I think. 22, this is our already existing value. And this is 30. This is 30. So then, so this is the view. మన ఛానల్ ఎవరైనా కానీ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే చేసుకోండి. ఎందుకని అంటే సో ఇంకా త్వరలో 2-3 రోజుల్లో దాన్ని ప్రైవేట్ చేస్తున్నారు. ప్రైవేట్ చేస్తే ఇంకా సబ్స్క్రైబ్డ్ ఛానల్స్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసిన వాళ్ళు మాత్రమే వ్యూ చేయడానికి అవకాశం ఉంటుంది. సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయని వాళ్ళు వ్యూ చేసుకోవడానికి అవకాశం ఉండదు. ఎందుకని అంటే ఇంకా ఈ సెమ్ అంతా కూడా ఆన్లైన్లోనే ఉంటాయి క్లాసులు. సో ఓన్లీ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసి అంటే తర్వాత మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా ఒకవేళ కాంటెంట్ చూడాలన్నా వినాలనుకున్నారనుకోండి, సో సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసిన వాళ్ళకి అవకాశం ఉంటుంది. సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయని వాళ్ళకు ఇంకా అవకాశం ఉండదు. ఎందుకంటే అందరినీ అలౌ చేయకుండా సో కొంతమందికి లిమిట్ చేయాలి అనేది ఓన్లీ మన కాలేజ్ స్టూడెంట్స్కి లిమిట్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నారు. సో దాన్ని ఇప్పుడు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ మీరు ఆల్రెడీ దాదాపు చాలామంది అయిపోయారు. సో ఇంకా కొంతమంది ఉన్నారన్నారు. సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయని వాళ్ళు ఉంటే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. లేకపోతే వీడియోస్ కొన్ని షేర్ స్క్రీన్ షేరింగ్ బ్లూ వస్తుంది. ఓకే పీసీ అది డ్యూరింగ్ ద యూట్యూబ్ at the time of YouTube or at the time of class. సో అందుకని అందరికీ చెప్తున్నాను. మళ్ళీ అప్పుడు సార్ అన్నారు అనుకోండి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయనీరు, చేసుకోవడానికి వీలు అవ్వదు. అందువల్ల అందరూ కూడా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. అది సిస్టమ్. సో ఇది మనకు ఆల్రెడీ ఉన్న లిస్ట్ అమ్మ. సో ఆల్రెడీ 10, 22, 30 నెంబర్స్ ఉన్నాయి అనుకున్నాం. సో నేను కొత్తగా ఒక నెంబర్ని ఇన్సర్ట్ చేయాలనుకున్నాను. ఏ పొజిషన్లో ఇన్సర్ట్ చేయాలనుకున్నాను? సెకండ్ పొజిషన్లో ఇన్సర్ట్ చేయాలనుకున్నాను. సెకండ్ పొజిషన్లో ఇప్పుడు కొత్త వాల్యూ ఇన్సర్ట్ అయింది. ఆల్రెడీ సెకండ్ పొజిషన్లో ఉన్న వాల్యూ ఎక్కడికి వస్తుంది? థర్డ్ పొజిషన్లోకి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. సో ఇలా మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నాము అంటే ఒక కొత్త నెంబర్ని ఇన్సర్ట్ చేసుకోవడానికి అవకాశం అనేది ఉంటుంది. దీనికి సంబంధించిన అల్గోరిథం ఎలా రాయాలి? అల్గోరిథం ఇన్సర్ట్ నోడ్. Algorithm insert node. So insert node module is used to insert a node into the so first of all you have to allocate the stories. First of all you have to allocate. How we can allocate? Temp equal to new node. After allocation of two stories, enter value into the node. Enter the value into the node. So we can enter scene temp arrow number. This is the model we are used to enter the value into the node. So we can enter seen temp arrow number. So by using that, then you have to enter position. Enter position. So we can enter seen position. Then if position is equal to 0, or position greater than count. So I will position greater than number of nodes. I will call the module if position is greater than 0 or position greater than number of nodes. So print invalid position. If it is a valid position, move cursor, move from first node to specified node. So if it is a valid position, you have to check whether it is a valid position or not. If it is a valid position, then move from first node to specified position. How we can move? So current equal to start while I less than or less than position minus 1, I plus plus current equal to current dot x. So this is the process we are used to move from the node to move from first to specified position. Then connect the node, new node. Connect the new node. So how we connect the new node? So how we connect the new node? So current dot temp dot next equal to temp arrow next current dot next equal to temp. This is the process. So this is the way we are used to print the values in a list. So how to insert a new node in a list? So what is the procedure? So how to insert a node? First of all, you have to allocate the storage. How we can allocate the storage? By using the function, by using the operator new, temp equal to new node. When you write the temp equal to new node, the system will allocate the storage. Then enter the value. So seen temp arrow number. Then you have to enter the position also. If it is a valid, if it is an invalid position, check whether it is a valid or invalid position. If position equal to 0 or position greater than number of nodes, so then say it is an invalid position. If position is greater than 0 or position is like this. Otherwise, if it is a valid position, move the cursor from first position to valid position. So how we can move? While I less than position minus 1, I plus plus current equal to current dot next. Then you have to connect the nodes. This is the procedure, this is the approach we are using. So to insert a node in a list. So this is the one we called as insert node module. Similarly, we have the delete node. Delete node. This module is used to delete a node in a list. So delete node. This module is used to delete a node in a list. So to delete a node from a list, we use this module. So So to delete a node, check whether the number is in the list or not. To delete a node, check whether the number check whether the number is in the list or not. So this module is used to delete a node in a list. Delete a node from the list. To delete the node, so how we can delete? To delete the node, check whether the number is in the list or not. If the number is in the list, then we can add. If it is in the list, if the number is in the list, then delete the node. Otherwise, invalid number. So this is called as so like this we use. Suppose this is the diagram. So let us assume that there are three nodes. One, this is another module. This is also another module. Let us assume that there are three modules. So then you have to connect connect the last node to first node. So this is the value. One. Two. So this is 3. I want to delete node 2. This is called a start. After 250, students are not allowed to come to the class. So you have to come before 250 only. So 2:45 actual time, 5 minutes is grace. So you have to come before 2:45. Later you are not allowed into the class, because if I allow them, so then there will be a problem. So that's why students are not allowed after 2:50. So you come as early as possible. So if I allow them, so some again there will be some nuisance. That's the problem for me. So that's why I won't allow any student after 2:50. If I allow, then there will be a problem. So coming to the students with other roll numbers is very difficult for me. Identification and identifying the student is also very difficult for me. So that's why. So I won't allow the students after 2:50. This is one. This is one. Then I will connect the nodes.
Sir,
Ah,
sir 2:30 కాదు 5:30కి ఇప్పుడే కనెక్షన్ కట్ అయిందంట సార్. అలౌ చేయండి.
ఓకే. సో అలాంటి వాళ్ళు ఉంటే అలౌ చెప్పండి అమ్మా, అలౌ చేస్తాను. మీరు ఎవరైనా మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి కమ్యూనికేట్ చేయండి, అలౌ చేస్తాను. మీరు మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి నాకు కానొస్తూ ఉంటుంది ఆ నెంబర్లన్నీ. మీరు మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి త్రూ మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ద్వారా నాకు చాట్ చేయమనండి. చాట్ చేస్తే నేను అలౌ చేస్తాను. ఏ స్టూడెంట్నైనా కానీ మీ ఫ్రెండ్ ద్వారా నాకు చాట్ చేయండి. ఇక్కడ చాట్ చేస్తే నేను అలౌ చేస్తాను. ఎందుకంటే నాకు కానొస్తూ ఉంటుంది ఎవరెవరు వెయిటింగ్లో ఉన్నారు అనేది, అందువల్ల. So this is my list. So initially we have 1, 2, 3. So when I deleted 2, then the list is again 1 and 3. So this is the way to delete a node. So then what is the process way to delete a node? First of all, you have to enter the number to be deleted. So what number, what will be to be deleted? So if it is a valid, then we can delete the number. Otherwise, we cannot delete the number. So we write algorithm. First we can implement the insert module, later we can implement this. So this is a singly linked list. Yesterday I told them how to develop a menu driven approach also. So first, for any module, you have to, first of all, you have to write a function prototype of the module. Suppose I want to create develop a new module, number of nodes. Int number of nodes. Suppose this is my module. This module is used to find the number of nodes. Then after that, I want to insert one more module. So void insert node. So these two modules I want to implement. So then I will write the code for these two modules. So you always write the code before the main. So the return type of the number of nodes is integer. So int, what is the class name? CLL, scope resolution operator, number of nodes. This is the module. Int count equal to 1. If start equal to null, if start equal to null, return 0. So if start equal to null, the list is empty. When the list is empty, then there is no nodes. That's why. Otherwise, you have to check from first node. That's why current equal to start. Assign current equal to start. But means the starting address is assigned to current. While current dot next not equal to start. While current dot next not equal to start, current equal to current dot next count plus plus. Return count. So this is the module to count the number of nodes in the list. చూడండి నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ నోట్స్ ఎలా వస్తాయి అనే దానికి వచ్చినప్పుడు సో కౌంట్ లిస్ట్ లేకపోతే ఏమి లేదు, లిస్ట్ లేదు అని ఎలా చెప్పగలము? స్టార్ట్ ఈక్వల్ టు నల్, లిస్ట్ రిటర్న్ 0. దట్ మీన్స్ ఇండికేట్స్ దట్ there is no list. Otherwise, so you have to check from first node to last node. The first node address is always stored at current. So current equal curr equal to start. While current, how we can identify the last node? Current dot next equal to start. While current dot next not equal to start, current equal to current dot next count plus plus. When you write like this, we can traverse the next node. Then we count return count. So this is the module we are used to find the number of nodes. Then we go for void CLL colon insert node. Int position comma I. So first of all, you have to enter the allocate the storage. How to allocate temp equal to new node. So this is. After that, enter the value. Cout. Enter the number. Scene temp arrow number. Cout, enter the number. Scene temp arrow number. So this is the module. Then you have to enter the position. Cout, enter the position. And then scene wise position. Cout, enter position. Scene enter position. సో పొజిషన్ కూడా ఇచ్చేసాం. పొజిషన్ ఇచ్చిన తర్వాత చెక్ చేసుకోండి. ఇఫ్ పొజిషన్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 ఆర్ పొజిషన్ గ్రేటర్ దెన్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ నోడ్స్. If position is greater than, is position equal to 0 or position is greater than number of nodes. Cout invalid position. Cout invalid position. Else it is a valid position. Then you have to move from first I equal to 1 while I less than position minus 1 I plus plus current equal to current dot next. So like this we can move from first position to specified current equal to current dot next. You have to assign current node address to starting node address to one variable current equal to start. If position equal to 1, if position equal to 1, that means if it is a first node. So first node, if it is a first node, you have to check it. So temp dot next equal to start. Temp dot next equal to start. Start equal to temp. Last dot next equal to temp. If it is a first node, so we know that we have to change the first node address. That's why temp dot next equal to start, then start send to start, then last dot next equal to temp. If it is a first node. Else, if it is a last node, how we can identify? If current equal to current dot next is equal to start, that indicates it is a last node. If it is a last node, how we can identify last node? Current dot next equal to start. That if it is a last node, so then we have to assign current dot next equal to temp. Temp dot next equal to current dot next equal to temp. Temp dot next equal to start. Last equal to temp. Else it is a invalid position. So temp dot next equal to current dot next, then current dot next equal to so this is the module. So you have to check this is the work we are using. So first we have to move to specified position. How we can move? So current equal to current dot next. When we write current equal to current dot next, we have moved to specified node. After moving to specified node, so then check it whether it is a first node or last node or intermediate node. So I will check it is a first node if position equal to 1. If position equal to 1, then it is a first node. So when it is a first node, the starting address is changed. So that's why temp dot next equal to start. Start equal to temp. last dot next equal to 10. That's it. So how we can, if it is a last node, how we can identify it is a last node if it is a first node? Last node. So we can identify last node current dot next equal to start. Current dot next equal to start, then it is a last node. Then current dot next equal to temp. Temp dot next equal to start and last equal to temp. Else intermediate node. If it is an intermediate node, so temp dot next equal to current dot next. So then current dot next equal to temp. So this is the process we are using. So then view this. Else close the else, then close the insert node model. So this is the one. So then we have the modules insert display, insert node, delete node, display exit. So enter your choice. Scene 1. If it is a 1, count we can. Case 2. You have to simply write like this, case 2. So you want to count the number of nodes also. So case 2, case 5 I give. I request some of the students not mute your phone. Please switch off. Please mute your phones. So if it is 2, case 2, so s dot insert node, s dot display. So if it is a case 4, later I will write case 3. If it is a case 4, see out number of nodes, s dot number of nodes. So this is the case 4. Then we have to write break. So this is the one part. So enter the number. Suppose 10, yes, 20, yes, 30, yes, 40, no. Then that so we have the one choice. If it is 1, the list is 1, 2, 1, 20, 30, 40. Enter the number to be new value to be inserted. Yes, 50. I want to insert the 50. At what position? So I want to insert at second position. So the second new value is at 5. So the number of nodes are 5 nodes. Yes. So this is the way to implement list, circular list. So check it. So I will explain once again. While not equal to 5, not for 5 days. So there are two modules were implemented in this today's class. One is the number of nodes. So the number of node module is used to find how many nodes in the list. So if the list is empty, there is no nodes. How we can identify the list is empty or not? If start equal to null, then the list is empty. Otherwise, the list is not null, not empty. So that's why if start equal to null, return 0. Otherwise, there will be a list. So that's why we have to start from first node. The first node address is always stored at current. while current dot next not equal to start. So current equal to current dot next count plus plus. By using these statements, we can move from first node to second, second to third, third to fourth, like this. After that, we return the count. So this indicates the number of nodes in a module. So then insert node. So insert node module is used to insert a new node in a list. So how we can insert a new node in a list? So first of all, you have to allocate the storage. So we can allocate temp equal to new node. After allocation of the storage, then you have to enter the value. So we can enter scene temp arrow number. So by using that statement, we are entered the value. After that, you have to enter the position. Enter the position, scene position. So then you have to enter, if it is enter the position, check whether it is a valid position or not. How we can check whether it is a valid position or not? If position equal to 0 or position greater than number of nodes. If position equal to 0 or position greater than number of nodes, so invalid position. Otherwise, it is a valid position. If it is a valid position, move the cursor from first node to specified position, specified node. So how we can move the cursor from first node to specified node? So by writing current equal to current dot next. Suppose I want to move to fourth node, you have to move 4 times. So if I want to go to third node, you have to move third position. So actually I want fourth node. So 3 times moving is enough. I want to insert a new node at fourth position. The third position is enough. So that's way. So position less than 1. While I less than position 1, so I plus plus current equal to current dot next. So after moving the position to specified node, then we have to insert. So if it is the first node, or it may be a last node, or it may be intermediate node. How we can identify it is a first node if position equal to 1? If position equal to 1 indicates it is a first node. So if it is a first node, how to change the address of the first node also? How we can change the temp equal to temp dot next equal to start, start equal to temp, and the last equal to temp. So first new node is the temp, already existing is start. So that's why temp dot next equal to start, and so you have to last dot next equal to start, like this. If it is a last node, how we can identify last node? So last node is identified by current dot next equal to start. If current dot next equal to start, current dot next equal to temp, temp dot next equal to start. If it is an intermediate node, so this is the process. So after that, we are developed the menu driven approach. Case 1 is the display, case 2 is insert node, case 3 is the delete node. Yes, 20, yes, 30, yes, 40, no. Suppose the list is 1, 10, 20, 30, 40. Enter the new enter the number 50. Where I want to insert at third position 3. So at third position the number is 50. Already third number is. Then the total number of nodes is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 nodes in the list. Number of nodes are 5. So this is the approach. 5 is to move from program. 5 is to move from program. 5 says number of nodes are. This is about insert module. Okay. Tomorrow we discuss delete module. Okay. Bye. సో ఒకసారి అందరికి చెప్తున్నానమ్మా, మళ్ళా మీరందరూ కూడా ఎవరైనా కానీ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. సో లేకపోతే మీకు ప్రాబ్లం అవుతుంది, తర్వాత వ్యూ చేసుకోవాలంటే వ్యూ చేసుకోలేరు. సో అందుకని అందరూ ఒకసారి మళ్ళా కూడా మీకు చెప్తున్నాను, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకుని వాళ్ళు ఎవరైనా ఉంటే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి, తర్వాత మీకు అవైలబిలిటీ రాదు. సరేనా? ఓకే, బాయ్.